Hey, this is Luke Edmonson.
Hey, this is one of your coaches, David Edmonson.
We're excited to talk to you about Literate Schoolhouse, where our theme, our poor analogy, is going to be spring training, getting back to the fundamentals.
Yeah, we're going to be doing it a little bit later than the springtime.
That's right. You know, when we think about spring training, it's an opportunity to come back and practice our fundamentals. And so that's what this time together is going to be about. It's going to be about you bringing your camera, and we're going to do a lot of hands-on, intensive, fun, playful shooting assignments that'll help you build speed, build in your confidence, and potentially put you in some situations where you're bound to fail.
Absolutely. We will not be sitting in chairs for 8 hours.
Sitting in chairs with blankets, no less, because it's so cold. The other thing we want to do is focus on the things that are key to the content of our pictures. So working with color, working with values, working with composition, these elements that we can use to create impact. We're going to work with that. We're going to work with lifting our eyes up from the back of the camera and really making connections with our subjects.
Maybe even do a little gesture.
Maybe even do gesture. Yes, we're going to walk through all these sorts of different things that can help build the reward value for the people that look at our pictures, break up the static nature of them, make them more dynamic, make them more interesting. The key principles we're going to work on are building speed, learning how to see differently, and getting it right in camera. So there will be no post-production here. We'll need computers, but the purpose of a computer, that can be one per team, is just so we can download your images so we can all review things together and learn and grow.
You know, by the time we finish these 2 days, after we build lesson upon lesson, we are so trusting that you will actually feel like you have been raised to another plateau in your ability to shoot and in your ability to see and in your ability to connect with other people.
That's right. So let's go, team.